Hey guys, you know who it is, you know what it is. It's Boye on your favorite YouTube channel, Chat with Boye. Today I'll be doing something very, very special. I'll be making a signature milkshake. It's my own signature milkshake using the KerryGold Milk. Yes. With me, all the ingredients I have here: ice cream, ice block, water, apple. I have cake that I shredded, and I have my milk. Yes, my KerryGold milk and groundnut and dates. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned, and I'll be right back. So guys, here is my milkshake. I can't wait to taste this. I've been preparing it and I did not even taste it. I hope it tastes amazing. I'm scared. Maybe I made concussion now. I can die here. Oh my god, this is delicious. If you enjoyed this content, please don't go anywhere. Subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button somewhere around here. And if you're already subscribed, please turn on post notification. And I might be doing a giveaway soon. Let's hope I win this competition. And thanks to KerryGold Milk for making this amazing. A very huge thank you to KerryGold Milk. Like, comment, share. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next YouTube video.